Welcome to Estonian language with Tahela. My name is Riina, and in these videos I will teach you some basic Estonian language that you might need when you travel to Estonia or if you want to speak with your Estonian friends in their language. Today we will focus on some basic Estonian vocabulary or expressions that you might need in your everyday language. In the beginning of this video, I said tere. This means hello. Tere. But you might want to say a little bit more than this, so I could also say tere, mina olen Riina. Kuidas läheb? Mina olen Riina means I am Riina. Mina olen Riina. But here I could also say minu nimi on Riina. My name is Riina. Minu nimi on Riina. And in the end, I said, kuidas läheb? How are you? Kuidas läheb? Now, when you have introduced yourself, you might want to ask about the other person as well. So the easiest way to do that would be to ask, aga sina? What about you? Aga sina? Or you can ask, mis sinu nimi on? What is your name? Mis sinu nimi on? And if the other person asked, kuidas läheb? Then you can answer, hästi. Good. Well, yeah, I'm doing good. Hästi. Or if you don't, you can also say, pole viga. Not bad. Pole viga. And now we can revise what we have learned so far. Repeat after me. Tere! Mina olen. Minu nimi on. Kuidas läheb? Aga sina? Mis sinu nimi on? Hästi. Pole viga. Väga hea. Väga hea means very good. Other useful words that you might need are thank you and please. So if somebody gives you something, then you say aitäh. Aitäh. This means thank you. Aitäh. And now when you give something to someone, then you say palun. Palun means please. There you go. Palun. Another word that you might need, for example, when you are in Tallinn and you, let's say, accidentally step on somebody's foot, happens, then you say vabandust. Sorry. Vabandust. So, how was hello again in Estonian? Correct. Tere. So, how do you say goodbye? Goodbye is nägemist. Nägemist. Or you can say head aega. Head aega. Now let's revise again the words that we have learned so far. Again, repeat after me. Aitäh. Palun. Vabandust. Nägemist. Head aega. This is all for today. Thank you for joining us. Next time we will have other useful topics, so stay with Tahela. Nägemist!